Hi, welcome to the vlog. A little fix video for you today, a repair type thing. I had a problem with two of the motor move covers and I bought a couple and replaced them. I thought I think it's £52 for two was expensive, but people have got mixed opinions. I was discussing it on Talk Wrench community. If you're not a member, I've got to slope your shoulders. If you're not a member, please consider it. Links below, of course. And some people thought it was expensive, other people said it wasn't really, considering a lot of factors really. This is how I did it.
It's alright. It's Caravan Vlog.
This is quality caravan vlogging. Right, something else to fix on the caravan this morning. I want to put it in for service. I asked if they could do this fix for me, but they don't have the parts in store, so in stock rather. So I've just ordered some online. Ever had one of these break? Honestly, I went years without breaking any, and now I've managed to break two, probably sometime last year, in the space of, well, maybe a month or something. I think I whacked a large curb or so. I can't remember exactly, but I do remember pulling into a service station in the UK, a bit of a tight bend, and then looking in my wing mirror and noticing this on the floor. So fortunately I had gaffer tape, which has actually held it, believe it or not, it's held it on there for probably 10 months, a year maybe. The problem is they don't come with the screw, which it might be a problem. I'm hoping when I take that gaffer tape off, there's a screw still there, or I might have put it in the front drawer inside. It's not something I'd have thrown away. So I'm going to replace these. £52. And the problem is, if you break two of the same, you've got to actually buy two sets. But fortunately, I've got one on each side broken, so I've got two in the set, left and right, forward and back, whatever you want to say, and I'll replace those. So let's take this off and have a look. Right, so as you can see, there's gaffer tape on there. In fact, it's held so well that I'm not sure I'll be able to put it off. That's it, new caravan. Bloody hell. Good stuff, man. I'll just leave the gaffer tape on, I think. There we go. As I feared, no screw. Have a look. It's quite cracked here. Big hole there that's not meant to be there. Crack there. But there's one screw that should be in the middle there, and that there should be one there as well. I'll show you with a new one. See, look, there should be 1, 2, 3 of those clips, and the screw goes in the middle one. I'll have a look in the front drawer to see if I've just put it in there. Result. Everything goes in the front drawer, you know what I mean. I do just throw things in there, but you know it's in there. So let's put this one on and do the next one. It's going to be the easiest ever DIY job, he says. 2 hours later, I'm still here trying to find the hole. So, easy job, get the right one, which ain't that one. Like a glove. Wrong size screwdriver, of course. Right, I can't find the correct screwdriver, so I'm just using a one that will fit. So one thing to note is, one, better get that tan line sorted out, but two, don't over tighten these. Right, just over the other side now. See, this one isn't so bad, but you can see here, these are broken. So I could just pull it off without any resistance at all. Perfect, job done. On with the rest of it. So that was it. I told you it was short. That's a lot. Thanks for watching. See you next one.